That was so easy. That took me less than 10 minutes. That was awesome. I love my house, but we don't have nearly enough kitchen space. So when someone offered to send this to me, I felt it was very appropriate. What an easy upgrade for your kitchen. Oh, by the way, I installed it this way, where these hooks are on the bottom, but you can turn it around and have these edges on the top. It's super customizable, so that's pretty cool.
Positive, all of it, wonderful.
This used to be a corner of just nothingness. It was not being used for anything, but now it's an extension of the kitchen. Definitely a great way to maximize your vertical space and to maximize a small space. This is a game changer.